So we're here at the Bright Tangerine stand at NAB 2018. Let's see what's new this year.
Red Shark News at NAB 2018 is brought to you by Adamus. Unlock creativity. Black Magic Design, amazing solutions for film, post-production, and television. G Technology, the go-to drives for creative professionals. Frame.io, the collaboration platform for video teams.
So next to me is Daniel from Bright Tangerine. How are you?
I'm good, Bas. You?
Yes, very busy.
Good, excellent.
So talk to me about your new products for this year.
Yes, so I'm going to start you off with the latest addition to our matte box family, the Clash 138. So building on the success of the Misfit Atom, we've developed a version that can now take 138mm filters. The main goal obviously is for polarizers. So on this tray you can rotate the filter by 120 degrees. And for polarizer filters you only need 90 degrees, so that's more than enough. The biggest difference is the native back. So the native back on the Misfit Atom is 114, on this new one it's 143.
Yeah. And why is this? This is a requested feature from your users?
So people love the Misfit Atom, but the only drawback they could come up with was that it doesn't have, if you have a polarizer you can't rotate it. So this is what we've come up with.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
And we hope it's going to be successful. So shipping in 2 to 3 months time, retail will be about $597. There you go. Up next we've got the new quick release systems for our Titan arm. The quick release system is based off a 15mm rod that can be attached to either end of the arm. These act as a receiver for the quick release brackets. There are 2 quick release bracket options available. You can get a 3/8 with 2 anti-twist pins version, which is basically the ARRI standard, or you can get a 1/4 inch. If a customer or someone only has 1/4 inch threads on their cage, they can get an adapter which has got 2 1/4 inch threads, and that will basically give you the anti-twist feature on the same. The actual bracket itself, it's a 2-stage release.
Yeah.
Safety eject button there for peace of mind. That locks in, and then a kip lever to lock the arm into place.
That's it. Wow, that's
it.
a really good system.
It's just simple, and it takes the hassle away of having to quickly rotate it.
Do that, especially with a monitor on.
Yeah.
Most of the times you'll do the whole thing.
You have to go through the whole exercise. So this way it's just nice and easy. If you just need to quickly grab the monitor, just go.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, great. So something else? Yes,
something else, which is this. So we're now going to start venturing into making cage solutions.
Yeah.
And this is our very first. This one is for the Canon C200s. You have 4 components to this system. So at the end, at the very bottom, you've got the 15mm lightweight base plate.
Yeah.
It's got a ARRI compatible dovetail plate at the bottom, which can be removed, and then the cage can actually be installed on the ARRI dovetail. On the top, you've got a sliding top plate, which you can obviously adjust for balancing purposes. And on top of that, you've got our new top handle, which has got multiple mounting points and will be compatible with a number of other cameras. Connecting the 2 plates, you've got our new side cheese plates.
Yeah.
They've got mounting points on both sides, and on the right side, you've got an ARRI rosette so that you can attach your handle. And so that's a very simple product, not much more to describe it. That should be coming hopefully later in the year. And for this one, you're looking at about $1,000 for the whole system. Last but not least, we've got the new power distribution system for the ARRI Mini, or the ARRI Alexa Mini. So the power distribution box connects onto the camera body via a left side cheese plate. These in turn are connected to the MAP2 or MAP1 plates. There will be other optional extras, including a right side cheese plate for the assistant side. The power box itself, you've got 2 D-taps, one standard, one anti-twist, 3 2-pin LEMO 12 volts, a 5 volt USB, a 3-pin Fisher RS 24 volt, and finally a DC in 8-pin. The finished version will be slightly smaller. And the idea being that you can then access your memory slot fully. So we have addressed that issue, so it will be thinner when it comes out.
And when does it come out?
In about 5 to 6 weeks. That's when it actually ships. So everything's been done, and we have corrected for it. The only change that we might do to it is we'll add a hot stop plate, which will hold anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes of charge, which gives you enough time to change the battery without interrupting the flow of energy into the camera itself. And then for this kit, you're looking at about $2,200 for the power distribution unit and the left side cheese plate.
Great. Well, thanks very much.
No worries. You're more than welcome. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, cheers. Thanks.
Cheers.
Do you like our NAB coverage? Then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.